Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make some Christmas cookies. These aren't the basic Christmas cookies that you would see everywhere, but they remind me a lot of Christmas because my mom makes these like every year. And they are these like peanut butter blossoms, I guess. They're basically like peanut butter cookies with a little like Hershey's Kiss in the middle. They're so good. Like I look forward to these every single year, so I'm so excited to be making this video and sharing the recipe. I seriously hope you guys try this out this Christmas. If you guys like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new down below. That would seriously mean so much to me. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Video for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys liked it. That would mean so much to me. I'll see you guys on Sunday with a new video, so bye.